Your task is completed. Now the texts are aligned to RTL. Checking it out. We go to any published article. The text is oriented to the right on the right side of the screen. Now let's try to insert a piece of text in Arabic or Hebrew with the orientation of the exclamation point question mark on the right. The site should automatically rebuild the text. That is, an exclamation point question mark should appear on the left. So we have the orientation of the text for the Arabic language. That's fine. All the same is done here. If the dot is on the left, then the text starts from right to left. We can also check in the admin panel of the site. We go to the administrative part of the site and view the page. Everything is fine in the comments too. There are 3 dots there. They are on the left.